Hi guys, my name is João, I'm from Next Elements and I'm here to explain to you how to place the action camera support for the Next X.Tr. To place the action camera support, we will need to start by removing the cover. For that, we will use this small tool, press here and then remove it. After that, we need to place it and screw the support. Place like this. These screws come in the accessory box, and then we do one, and then the second one. There you go. This is how you place the action camera support. Thanks for watching this video. We have many more videos like this on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check them out. Have a nice ride.